The cocktail number 2 is Cosmopolitan. It is very popular classic cocktail made from vodka, and this is something very similar to the cocktail we have made earlier. All right. So in this we are using martini glass. Okay. This is also called V-shaped glass or originally called cocktail glass. The martini one is called cocktail glass. So this is same V-shaped cocktail or martini glass. Here we have to add some ice just to make your glass colder, because at the end, like you have observed in last cocktail, you had not given ice into that, so your glass should be extra cold. The reason why I have not added ice into that, because there was a rim, so if I would add, so it may go wrong, so somewhere we have to avoid it. But wherever we can, like here there's no rim, so I can make it chilled, or I can keep it in the refrigerators also. So we have a glass frosters machines also, so already stock your glasses as much as you need, and once you make the cocktail, you just have to take it out and pour it and finish. Okay, if you don't have some machines, refrigerator, you have to do it manually. This has to be done. So glass is aside. Again, I have to load my shaker. Okay, so I'll do some different step right now. So first of all, as I told you last time, I have to add lemon, so which is 15 ml. Triple sec. This cocktail also goes with triple sec. 10 to 12 ml, not too much. Cranberry juice, 30 ml. You have to shake it before you use. Only 30 ml. Vodka, 45. This is a pinkish Cosmopolitan. In garnish, you have to take an orange zest, because triple sec is made with orange. You can have lemon zest also, this also, and having cranberry will be just like, same color. So I have to go with little opposite color, because with the pink, orange will look good or lime will look good. Okay, and you have to some spray the fragrance of orange, because it has a oil which is aromatic. So I have to make sure that this already squeezed, and then I can dip it into the glass. So this is your Cosmopolitan ready.